Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Following that, you need to scroll down again and tap on Font Size. Now operate this slider in order to adjust it and check out Preview on the left. When you're done, go back. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!